ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ వాళ్ళ యూట్యూబ్లోకి స్వాగతం. ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో మనము ఇంగ్లీష్ గ్రామర్ రిలేటెడ్ ఆర్టికల్స్ సంబంధించి డెఫినెట్ ఆర్టికల్స్ సంబంధించినటువంటి కొన్ని రూల్స్ నేర్చుకున్నాము. ప్రజెంట్ వీడియోలో కూడా మనం డెఫినెట్ ఆర్టికల్స్ సంబంధించి ఈ పార్ట్ 3 వీడియో ద్వారా కూడా కొన్ని రూల్స్ అండ్ రెగ్యులేషన్స్ నేర్చుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేద్దాము. హియర్ we start with the rule 21 or condition 21. These rules are formed only with us to make our using definite articles in our daily life very easy. According to the rule 21, before the ordinal numbers we use definite article the. Ordinal numbers we know first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like that. These are the ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers, counting numbers. Before the ordinal numbers we use the definite article the. Example given here: the first, the second, the third, the ninth, the 10th, like that. Next, rule 22. Before the names of races. Races means jatulu. Example: the Greeks, the Romans, the Dravidians, the Aryans, the Indians, like that, the Kakatiyas, etc. Rule 23. Public buildings. Before the names of public buildings. We have so many public buildings in our society. Those are formed with our government, either maybe central government or state government. Public buildings will be there in our society, in our community. Example: assembly, the assembly; post office, the post office; RBI, the RBI; SBI, the SBI; the Andhra Bank. These are all public buildings or public institutions will be there. So we use before public buildings the definite article the. Next we go for rule 24. Political parties. Before the names of political parties. So many political parties will be there in our country or in the world. Before the names of that political parties also we use the definite article the. Example: the Congress, the TRS, the Janasena, the YCP, etc. like that. According to rule 25, before centuries. Example: the 21st century, the 20th century, the 19th century, like that. Rule 26. Before the names of park and library. Before the names of park and library. Example given here: the Central Library, the Osmania Library, the Ekashila Park, the Nehru Park, like that. Before the names of park and library we use the definite article the. According to rule 27, before the names of universities. Oxford University, the Oxford University, the Osmania University, the Kakatiya University, the Rayalaseema University, the Cambridge University, like that. So many universities are there. Before the names of that universities we use the definite article the. Rule 28. Before the names of dams or projects. Example: the Nagarjunasagar Dam, the Kaleshwaram Dam or Kaleshwaram Project, the Hirakud Project, etc. Rule 29. Before the names of ships, aeroplanes, trains. Example: the Titanic ship, the Boeing 732, the Shatabdi Express. This is the name of the train. Rule 30. Before the names of artificial satellites. Example: the Aryabhata, the Sputnik, like that. Next rule we go. Rule 31. Middle, top, center, first, next, end. Remember these words: middle, top, center, first, next, end. At the end of the cinema, we all see the end, the first satellite, the next train, the top job, the middle person. Like this, we use in our daily life. So, middle, top, center, first, next, end. Before these words, we use the definite article the. Next rule 32. If we use positive degree as a noun, here positive degree is nothing but an adjective. If we use positive degree as a noun, here positive degree is nothing but as an adjective. An adjective as a noun. If we use an adjective as a noun, then we keep the definite article the before that adjective. Example here observe first one, the rich can buy anything. Here the adjective rich. But here the rich is used as a noun, rich person or rich people, like that. So the rich, so we keep the definite article before the word rich. So it became the rich. The rich can buy anything. This means the rich people can buy anything. The poor suffer a lot. Here the poor means the poor people. The poor are becoming poorer. Here the poor means the poor people becoming very poorer. The rich are becoming richer. Here the rich persons are becoming richer. The injured were immediately taken to hospital. Like this. Here an adjective used as a noun. So we use definite article before that word. Next rule 33. Years and festivals. Before the names of years and festivals. So many festivals are there, so many. Like the general year, leap year is there. The leap year, the general year, festivals, the Ramzan, the Christmas, the Sankranti, like that. The Ugadi, Deepavali. Next to rule 34, inventions. So many inventions happened in our India and in the world also. Before the inventions, we use the definite article the. Example, the microscope, the radio, the telephone, etc. According to rule 35, if we go for the rule 35, if singular nouns represent the whole class. If the singular nouns represents the whole class. ఏకవచనమైనప్పటికీ మొత్తం జాతిని సూచించినప్పుడు. If singular nouns represent the whole class. ఏకవచనమైనప్పటికీ మొత్తం జాతిని సూచించినప్పుడు మనము ఆర్టికల్ దాని వాడతాము. Example 1. The dog is a faithful animal. Here the dog means all dogs. So dog is singular noun but represented as the whole class. So we keep the definite article before that the word dog. The dog. The elephant is a big animal, not only one elephant. All animals also big animal. So all elephants also big. All elephants. Here the elephant represented as all elephants. So we keep the definite article before the word elephant. The. According to rule 36, before proper nouns or personal nouns, when they are qualified by an adjective or adjective equivalent. before proper nouns when they are qualified by an adjective or adjective equivalent. If the proper nouns are qualified with an adjective, here the example proper nouns are given Ashoka and Napoleon. Ashoka is proper noun, Napoleon is proper noun, and these both are qualified with an adjective. Ashoka is qualified with an adjective great. Napoleon is qualified with an adjective famous. So before proper nouns, when they are qualified by an adjective or adjective equivalent, we use the article the. So here it became the great Ashoka, the famous Napoleon. Ashoka and Napoleon are proper nouns, but these both names are proper nouns are qualified with an adjective great and famous. So if a proper noun qualifies with an adjective, then we keep the article the before that word. Okay, next rule 37. Before abstract nouns used in a limited sense. Before abstract nouns used in a limited sense. అమూర్త భావనను పరిమితంగా చెప్పగలిగినప్పుడు. అమూర్త భావన అంటే కంటికి కనిపించినటువంటి నౌన్స్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ద నాలెడ్జ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ విల్ సర్టెన్లీ హెల్ప్ యూ. ద నాలెడ్జ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ విల్ సర్టెన్లీ హెల్ప్ యూ. Here the abstract noun is knowledge, but used in a limited sense. So we keep the article the before that abstract noun. In the second sentence also, the honesty of the student has been appreciated. Here the abstract noun is honesty and it is used in a limited sense. So we use the article the. Third one, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Here the fear is abstract noun and it is used in a limited sense here. So we use before that word the definite article the. Okay, this is rule 37. Before abstract nouns used in a limited sense, like this. Next to rule 38. Before material nouns particularized by a limited sense. Before material nouns particularized by a limited sense. మెటీరియల్ నౌన్ను పరిమితమైన అర్థంలో చెప్పినప్పుడు, మెటీరియల్ నౌన్ మీన్స్ మెటీరియల్ నేమ్స్, goods names. Okay, here example given. The gold of Kolar is in great demand. The gold of Kolar is in great demand. Here the material noun is gold and it is particularized by a limited sense. Coral-related gold is in great demand. Only for this is particularized. Here we particularize the gold related to Kolar mines. Kolar mines related gold is in great demand. This is especially particularized. So we use that material in a limited sense. Second one, the coal of India is a class in itself. The coal of India is a class in itself. Here the material noun is particular, coal is particular to certain country, that is here India. So here in limited sense the material noun is used. So we keep the definite article the before that material noun. Rule 39. Before the names of the families. Example, the Gandhis, the Sayers, the Nehrus, etc. Like this. Rule 40. with a common noun or abstract noun, with a common noun or abstract noun to denote the quality for which the noun stands. With a common noun or abstract noun to denote the quality for which the noun stands. అంటే నామవాచకమే గుణాన్ని తెలుపుతున్నప్పుడు, నామవాచకమే గుణాన్ని తెలుపుతున్నప్పుడు అంటే కామన్ నౌన్ ఆర్ అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ నౌన్ ఆర్ డినోటెడ్ యాజ్ డినోట్స్ ద క్వాలిటీ. Example here given, we observe, at last the father in him aroused. At last the father in him aroused. చివరికి అతనిలో ఉన్న తండ్రి మేలుకున్నాడు. At last the father in him aroused. Like this. So now we have to practice some questions about these rules. How far we understand above the rules, above rules. Now here questions are given. Once observe, and while reading these questions we have to recapitulate our rules and regulations related to using definite article. First one is, he was dash first man to arrival. Second one, dash Kakatiyas ruled Telangana for so many years. Third one, police station is near at Lions Club office. Fourth one, Congress is the national party. Fifth one, in dash 21st century the pandemic disease is COVID-19. Sixth one, dash Nehru Zoological Park is located in Hyderabad. Seventh one, I completed my degree through dash Ambedkar Open University in 2009. Eighth one, John Beard invented dash TV. Ninth one, Chitti walked out of the hall in dash middle of the movie. 10th one, dash English ruled as dash English ruled us 200 years. Dash English ruled us 200 years. Here we have to observe, we have to analyze. First one, he was dash first man to arrival. Here before the after the blank the word given is here first. First, second, third, fourth, these are the ordinal numbers. According to rules, English grammar rules, according to definite article using rules, before the ordinal numbers we use the definite article the. So we have to use here the first. Second one, Kakatiyas ruled Telangana for so many years. Here Kakatiyas are races. Before the names of races we have to use the definite article the. So the Kakatiyas becomes. Dash police station is near at Lions Club office. Here the police station is public building. So public building is used in before public buildings we use the definite article the. Congress is the national party. According to our grammar rules, already using definite article the rules, before the political parties we use the definite article the. So here we have to use the article the. The Congress is the national party. Fifth one, in dash 21st century the pandemic disease is COVID-19. Here in dash 21st century, here before the names of century we use the definite article the. So we have to use the article the here. Sixth one, Nehru Zoological Park is located in Hyderabad. Before parks and libraries we have to use definite article the. So we have to use here in sixth question the article the. Seventh one, I completed my degree through dash Ambedkar Open University in 2009. Before the names of universities also we have to use the article the. So we keep the the in the blank. Eighth one, John Beard invented dash TV. Before the names of inventions, we have to use according to our principles or rules or conditions. We have to use the definite article the. So John Beard invented the TV. Ninth one, Chitty walked out of the hall in dash middle of the movie. Already we discussed this before, middle, top, first, next, end. We use the definite article the. So this becomes Chitty walked out of the hall in the middle of the movie. Dash English ruled us 200 years. Here English is not a language. Here English is a race or English people or so before the names of races or total people, group of people, we use the definite article the. So according to grammar rules or conditions, here in 10th question we use the definite article the before the word English. Okay, this is about using definite article. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో. ఇంకా ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే దయచేసి ఈ వీడియోను లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకునే వాళ్ళు ఉంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుంటారని మేము కోరుకుంటున్నాము. థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్.